Hi guys, welcome back to VideoProc Vlogger's channel. Today I bring you a tutorial on how to create a creative paper tear effect. It can add a trendy and fashionable feel to your videos. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. Launch a software, create a new project, and import the prepared materials. Then find this button and click to add a few overlay tracks. Drag a paper tear green screen material onto the overlay track. In Inspector, find the chroma key. Click the color box. Use the eyedropper tool to pick the green part of the image. Check Enabled and adjust parameters. Move to your transform area to adjust the rotation, scale, and position. Once you get a satisfying result in the preview window, drag an image onto an empty overlay track. Adjust its scale and position. In the compositing area, add a color blur blend mode. If the blending effect isn't satisfactory, click the color icon to adjust the image color for a better result. Once the two images are blended, click the camera icon above the preview window to generate the current image. Repeat the process for two more paper tear green screen materials of different shapes to quickly obtain the remaining clippings. I will share these two paper tear green screen materials in the fan club for free use. Now, import the 3 generated clippings into the software, and we've completed the first part. First, drag the background video onto the video track and the music onto the audio track. Make some basic edits to the music. Then, drag the 3 clippings onto different overlay tracks. Adjust the durations for sequential appearance. And in Inspector, click Hide to make them fit to the screen. Add a lighten blend mode to each. And after that, use a split tool to cut the clippings into smaller clips according to the music. Adjust the position of each clip using the Show or Hide Layer rectangle button. Check the effects by revealing each clip in sequence. Looks great! Apply similar effect edits to the remaining 2 images. Open the effect panel on the top left. Find the color glitch effect. Drag it onto the effect track twice and adjust the duration for some spacing. Next, choose a circular mask effect. Adjust the duration to match a 3 clipping image. And define its application range in the Inspector to apply it only to the clippings. The Effects panel has many presets for you to choose from based on your needs. To enrich your file effect, open the title panel on the top left. Choose a favorite text preset. Drag it onto the subtitle track. Adjust the duration. And in Inspector, add the text content. Select the desired font. Adjust the text size. Drag the slider to position the text. Click Add Text, and on the left side, click the animation button. Choose a dynamic preset. Slide down to animation time on the right. Adjust the duration. Click Apply to apply the changes. You can continue to create more text variations by copying and pasting, and adjusting the font, duration, and animation. In addition to changing the font, you can go to the Advanced Editing page to change various text styles and parameters. When you finished all text editing, you will get a great result. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you want to see more creative tutorials, don't forget to follow us. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll see you in our next one. Bye bye!